my brother Riley for getting his pilot's license. Where the hell is that motherfucker?
To my father's black card, to my black card.
God, I haven't done Sambuca since I was 20 years old. Yeah! I'm the king of the world! Let's go. Did he fucking pass out? Hold the door! Yo, Jason, get in! Get in! They're crazy, Jay! I learned from the best! Yeah!
You ever think you're crazy, huh? Jumping out of airplanes, flying like birds. That is crazy. I like this phone. This is a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Grant and Jason from California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really, really love you, because you two white boys, you look very expensive. And that's good, because I like expensive things. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Did you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up! Okay? I'm the one with the fucking dick. Look at me. Look me in the fucking eye. Hey! You fuck! Look me in the eye. You're my bitch. I rule this fucking kingdom. Shut the fuck up, or you die. What is it, Jason? Jason, what is it? Why aren't you laughing now like you did up there? What, is this not fun anymore? Have I failed to entertain you? You see, the thing is, up there, you thought you had a chance. Way up in the fucking skies, you thought you had your finger on the pussy trigger. But hermano, down here, you hit the ground. It's okay. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax, because you, and your tough guy brother, we're gonna have a lot of fun together while we wait for the money.
Stop scaring the hostages. I need you to take care of the rejects.
I just hope that you two pieces of fox are more entertaining than your friends. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Get you every fucking time, man. Motherfucker! You hurt? I don't think so. We have to find the others. How? I'm working on it. Call the guard. What? Call the guard. Do it.
Hey, over here!
The fuck? Hey, you guys shut the fuck up!
Shit. Holy fuck, he's dead.
That is what they teach you in the army. Follow me.
Jay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Come on, keep low.
This is insane.
Crew, why would I lie about this? You're being a jackass.
Man.
Burn out. And his parents are rich. We'll get more money for him than any of the others. Why do I always have to do this? Why is it always
Jay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Keep low. Bullshit! Why would I lie about this? You're being a jackass.
This is insane.
As his parents are rich, we'll get more money for him than any of us. Why do I always have to do this? Why is it always me that get picked to do the bad things? Fucking sucks.
Crouch down.
I'm wet. Look at me. This is not the life of a pirate I wanted.
Shit. Dogs. Hold up. Stop.
What is that about going off about? He's like you. Full of shit.
Stay quiet.
If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect what's coming back at you. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, that one.
Grab our stuff and the map. Pick up that phone, too.
Reporting in. Hey, who's on?
Keep moving. Fuck. Hold up. What? Damn. We need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, it worked.
Let's move.
Okay. Good. Shit, dude.
Who's that? What the fuck?
Holy shit. Oh, God. I can't do this, Grant.
Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay?
Yesterday you were
Okay,
almost with the
I'm
prisoner.
sorry.
No, really, you were. I laughed. You cried, then you cried some more. Remember you said last
Oh
time,
my
last time?
God, there's so many of them, man. It's that psycho.
It's old and very, really fast. Just in the call, fuck the call. Nobody wants to pay for you.
Sitting around waiting for him to come into the room. And before you know it, he had 2 others with him. We fucked all night long.
Hide in the plants.
Yeah.
I've never had such a good
Behind
time.
you. This is a fucking nightmare, man.
He was going right here. This is my favorite. When the slide action is active,
We have to get past
you
him.
can do anything.
Throw a rock
and
there.
no one can even stop. When you have that gun, you can put it at someone's head, and then they will know that you are a very serious person.
All right. Let's go.
Okay.
If you're going to give me
Lord,
that
it sounded like something.
expect what's coming back at you.
Where are we?
It's our way out. In here.
I'm not afraid. No, please. I'm not afraid. No, please.
Where are we?
We never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him. We're gonna free the others, and then we're going home.
Grant! Hey, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on!
You're pretty much there,
Hold on!
You're pretty much home. You're still
No,
with
no,
brother.
no.
And I mean, you wanna fuck with me. You wanna fuck with me.
Grant! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if this jungle doesn't eat you up alive, I will. What are you, fucking deaf? I said get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run!
His head is mine!
Run, Forrest! Run!
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Where'd you go?
Shit! Shit, no, no! Oh. No, no, no! Oh!
I see him! He's there!
I gotta get out of here. Fuck!
You're dead!
Climb! Climb!
Get him! Come on! Up there! Oh, yeah!
I have to find Riley and the others.
What about you?
Please let them be alive.
We lost him! Start looking! You're dead! I found him! Shit, oh God.
They found me!
Speaks through the warrior. The path leads to the heart of the jungle. Follow the path, and you will find the answer.
Where am I? What the hell?
You are awake. Well, not all of you. The arm has been deadened to allow for the Tatau. It is brave to swim a storm, but to sunbathe on a beach with pirates, insanity. You have the right to take my life. But no, I will also take yours. I am Dennis.
Jason.
Mangao. Lava lava. The heron, the shark, and the spider. I know who you are, Jason. You are a warrior. And the Tatao will allow for you to reveal your true self.
Listen, my older brother has been killed. I need to find my younger brother and 4 other friends.
Well, come with me.
So you'll help me?
No, you can only help yourself. I'm going to free you.
How did I get here?
I found you on the beach. Welcome to Amanaki village. It is something, isn't it, huh? Dalamat, Tangahari. I have Jason Brody with me, the man who escaped Vast Camp alive. Your escape is a sign that the battle has turned. Our people are in need of good news.
So, these are your people?
The island calls to the strongest. They called to me. The island dwellers, the Rakyat, accepted. And I became a member of the tribe. They are something, aren't they?
Beautiful, most definitely.
I could have anyone I choose. But my will is set on one woman. Here. Cash for weapons.
Oh.
You want to save your brother, right?
I've never shot anyone before.
What do they say in America? There's a first time for everything.
Those radio towers online. If you don't, I can't get new stock in from the remote villages. And trust me, they got some top-notch gear you're gonna want.
Follow me, my friend. Here, power comes from the jungle, from the island. You must learn the terrain, know where to stand at all times. Vass uses the towers to map the island and to locate his men. Scramblers block access. Our people have no use for devices such as these. But you will learn valuable information from them. Yes, the scramblers are at the top. Each tower covers a limited area. Climb them all and you will reveal the entire map.
Don't look down. I'm not getting back down that way.
Nice ride, huh?
It's done.
Good. Show me a map. You see, everything you need to know has been revealed by the radio tower. Shops, adventures. The island calls to you. And, like you, Jason, the shopkeepers are from the outside. They will use the radio towers to do business and reward you with weapons for every tower you free. A true warrior must hunt. It is the natural order of things. Look at the map. Select your hunting ground. Do not fear your instincts. Society has taught you how to fail, not nature.
Here.
Now, if you want to save your friends, you must know the jungle. Animal skins and leather will help you to carry many weapons and equipment. Plants can be mixed to create potent medicines that heal you, enhance your senses, and more. Go. Return to me once you have mastered the jungle.
What does that mean? What am I supposed to do? Bring back plants and animals. Which ones? I've got you. Dennis, we've got the plants and animals.
Good. Then bend nature to your will. I will teach you. Now use the plants you found to craft 2 syringes. Good, Jason. You may even find more powerful plants out in the woods, if you are lucky. Now, use the skins of the animals you killed to enlarge what you can carry. Crafting will allow you to carry more weapons, money, loot, and syringes. Yes. One last thing, the tattoo on your arm. It is a sign that you are special, that you have the soul of a warrior. You progressed along the path. Let me show you how to add to them. With each tattoo, a skill is mastered. You can choose to learn skills in 3 different areas. Now, I will teach you the takedown. It is done. As you become stronger, with each new skill you learn, the tattoo will grow. Choose another. You have done well, Jason. The tattoo.
Hey, Felipe. We are driving to the outpost near Amanaki. We have one of the Americans. Come, have some fun.
What the hell?
No!
Lisa!
Oh, shit!
We have to get her back.
Come, follow.
What's this outpost they've taken Lisa to?
The outposts are strongholds found throughout Rook Island. Fastest pirates hold them to control the surrounding area.
So we're heading into a fight?
Yes, a worthwhile one. Rescuing your friend will kill 2 pigs with 1 stone. We are at war with Vass. Taking outposts from the pirates is key to reclaiming the island. We conquer one for Iraqiat, the area becomes safer. This means faster travel for everyone. New opportunities to develop your skills as a warrior.
Who's in the truck?
Rakyat warriors, the true Rakyat, who live at the heart of the island. The tattoo will help them to trust you.
Look, I appreciate your help, but I just want to save Lisa and my friends. My brother.
This is the only way to get them back alive. You escaped the slave camp. You survived. It is time to fight. We are all equal, Jason. The difference lies in those who do not act. That is the difference.
All right, let's do this.
Like you, I was once a stranger here. You are not alone, my friend. We will wait for you to begin the attack.
Fuck. This heat.
Lisa, I'm coming.
Too damn hot. Someone just fucking shoot me. Fuck. Heat.
Lisa, I'm here!
See what you got, pussy! You're in for the world of pain!
Lisa, where are you? Everything's gonna be okay, Lisa! They're all gone! You're safe now! She's not here.
The outpost near Amanaki is under attack. Where is the American prisoner? We lost her. What? She escaped on the west side of the fucking island. I'll tell you about it when we get there.
She escaped.
Jason, you are worthy of the tattoo. Worthy to walk the path of the warrior.
We found one of your friends at the colonist's house. Dr. Earnhardt to the west. But do not worry. It is safe there. The doctor will be waiting for you.
To the west? Did he tell you which friend?
No, but we will keep continuing our search for the others. I will radio you if we hear more. Keep your head up, Jason. The tribe is very impressed with you.